Hey guys, welcome back to Develoquent. Today we're looking at the S24 Ultra, the brand new phone that just came out. I'm going to talk about the best ways that you can use it on your biking adventures. Let's go jump into it. So the S24 Ultra comes with a lot of new features, and one of those being a super durable phone with its titanium frame. Now what I do with it is mount it with this Quadlock out front mount on the front of my handlebars. It works perfectly with a dedicated GPS system. So you just mount the Quadlock out front mount right on your handlebars, either if you have a mountain bike or road bike, it's gonna work great. And with the brand new Quadlock case that came out for the S24 Ultra, you can use MagSafe products and have wireless charging as well. And you can see here just how nicely it fits with the GPS mounted right below it and then a nice LED light bar right in front of it. Another thing that's great about the S24 Ultra is you can use it as your standalone audio device. So you can pair up a Bluetooth speaker while you're on your bike and have that either mounted in one of your water bottle cages or in a little top tube bag like I have here. And you can play music a lot louder than what the speakers give off on the S24 Ultra. Well, one of the best features about the S24 Ultra, a lot of people have been talking about how great the battery life already is. Like the S22, S23 phones in the past, that with their 5,000 milliamp hour battery, same as the S24 Ultra, they've still suffered from not the best battery life compared to other phones like the iOS devices. But the S24 Ultra is really proving itself, having a lot longer battery life. And that's really going to be great for your biking adventures because you know that when you're using your GPS onboard location on your S24 Ultra, you're not going to be worried that your battery life's going to be draining so fast anymore. So now that we've talked about the battery life and the durability of the S24 Ultra, I want to move into one of the features that I think a lot of people are going to love about it, and that's the amazing camera that it comes with. This camera is capable of putting out amazing footage, whether it's 4K that you're going for or even up to 8K it has now. You can record beautiful shots, really capture those memories of your trip with your friends or just on your solo bike rides. Here's some of the few of the pictures that I've taken with the S24 Ultra while I've been out on the trails. Alright, now one of the other key features that I love about having your phone mounted to your handlebars while you're biking is being able to navigate where you're at in the moment that you're on your bike. So all it takes is stopping, looking down and navigating and seeing where you're at. Either it's Google Maps or Strava or Komoot or whatever GPS type app that you're using. It's super easy to see the terrain and see where you want to go if you're on an exploration ride, or if you're even just navigating and following a route that you predetermined. It's really nice to be able to see with that big screen right in front of you. Now, one other feature that I love about Samsung phones, and specifically the brand new S24 Ultra, is the super bright OLED displays that they have. They have an amazing 2600 nit display. That's incredible compared to the 1700 nit that the S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra had. This is amazing when you're on a bike ride, especially for those that like to commute during the day. When the sun's blaring right in your face, that sun comes straight down on your screen. It's going to be able to make it so you can see it. So I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about using your phone as a dedicated GPS on your handlebars? Do you use one right now, a smartphone, or do you use a dedicated GPS on your handlebars? But don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys staying till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.